Hey there, handy friends. Thanks for joining me again. I wanted to remind you that if you like what you see, please subscribe. I am trying to get some subscribers gained, so that would be great if you could do that for me. I wanted to show you, this is the book that I've been reading through. Not necessarily to say that I got this recipe or this idea out of this book, but I have gotten a lot of really good information out of this book, and I find it really interesting that this is not as popular of a subject as it should be. And so, the propagation of plants. Back to my original video topic, which is my willow tree rooting hormone. As you can see, I made some more here, so I have some ready for fall or for spring, and that's going to work out great for me. But I wanted to show you that I did my first video in the beginning of November, and it's the middle of December, so it's been about a month and a half, and the rooting hormone is supposed to work within 6 to 8 weeks, 4 to 6 to 8 weeks, depending on what you're working with. And I started getting some action on these within the first 4 weeks, and so it was a couple weeks early, and I was really lucky. My elderberry, as you can see, it's doing really well. Every single one that I've put in there except for this one is got growth on it, and so I'm hoping for some roots to come. But for now, I am changing the water every couple of days, and I am liking what I see. You can see there on that nodule there's a growth, so I'll show you a little bit closer. Here I have a new growth, and so also see a little bit of light green here. And so basically as it starts to get growth, then we'll get some root going. So I'm pretty excited with the elderberry. I don't have elderberry access in my yard, and I find it wild right now, but I don't necessarily trust the sources or the water sources nearby, so I'm much more comfortable growing my own. The willow has been kind of a disappointment for me. I thought willow was really easy to propagate or get the roots to go, not having much luck, and in fact they feel quite dead. I think maybe I might have let these pieces sit a bit too long and should have put them in a water solution straight away. So that one kind of had like an epic fail, but I'm not giving up on the willow and plan to revisit that. And then Forsynthia. So this one has been giving me flowers, which has been really nice, as you can see. So that's why I just love the Forsynthia bush. It's one of the easiest to propagate, and so as far as like plants and bushes or anything goes, the Forsynthia and the willow are exceptionally easy. So that's why I wanted to start with this. And I don't know if you can see, but I'm getting a little bit of green coming here, so I might have another blossom coming soon. And it looks like I'm starting to get a root growth coming from the bottom. Here you can see on that I have a root growing out of the water source. And so let's see what else we have going on. We've got some roots coming out of this one, and then another root coming out here. So this has worked really well for the Forsynthia, and these solo cups are perfect because this happens to be the line that I have been measuring for the amount of water. And like I said, just changing the water every couple of days for the past month and a half has done me really well, and I excited to get some roots coming, and then I can plant these in dirt. So I just wanted to give you an update on my homemade willow tree rooting hormone, and feel free to give that a try yourself. And don't forget, if you like what you see, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and stay handy, friends.